Hey, what's up? My name is Zahn Yu, and I'm a voice actor. I've been a voice actor since 1992, going back to the analog days of recording on tape. Yeah, that was a long time ago. My very first recording back then was for a TV commercial. And since then, I've done a lot of commercials for both TV and radio. Still do them. Nowadays, I also do them for social media. I also do voiceovers for all sorts of videos, such as e-learning, explainers, corporate, and product presentations. I also do voiceover for live events. And nowadays, I also do quite a bit of dubbing from a foreign language into English, like for Mexican telenovelas, Chinese historical dramas, K-dramas, everyone's favorite, also some Pinoy teleseries, all sorts of movies, and my personal favorite, animes. And once upon a time, I got to be the Tagalog voice for your favorite cute and fluffy alien.
Si Experiment 626 na mas kilala bilang si Stitch. Ohana ay pamilya. Walang naiiwan. Miga nala Quista!
And I'm proudly the promo voiceover for the popular Filipino movie channel, Cinema One. Find love with these movies this June on Romance Central.
Punong-puno ng aksyon kasama si FPJ, Hari ng Pinoy Cinema.
Kami ang inyong laging kasama, dito lang sa Cinema One. And I'm proud to be one of the coaches here at Voice Actors at Home PH. Wherever you happen to be in your voice acting career, if you're just a beginner or a veteran already or somewhere in between, maybe you're just starting out or trying to figure something out, like how to nail that next audition. If you're side hustling part-time or just like me, you're committed full-time to the craft, I want to help you achieve your goal of becoming the best voice actor you can possibly be. So come on, stick around and stay tuned. Let's find out how you and I can work together. Now, don't be a stranger, and let's talk soon, all right? I'm looking forward to hearing how you sound.